Robert Fulton, an innovator of the early 19th century, transformed transportation with his invention, the steamboat. Born in 1765, Fulton's steamboat, known as the Clermont, embarked on its maiden voyage in 1807, revolutionising travel on waterways. It became the first commercially successful steam-powered vessel, making travel faster, more reliable, and more accessible. Fulton's steamboat technology was a game-changer for industries like shipping and trade. It opened up new avenues for commerce and contributed significantly to the growth of cities along major rivers. His legacy endures in the countless steam-powered boats and ships that followed, marking a monumental shift in maritime history. Robert Fulton, a visionary engineer, forever changed the way we navigate our world's waterways, leaving a wake of innovation that continues to impact global transportation.